Hi guys, Future Megan here with Sudocreme all over my face. I just wanted to come here and give this video a bit of context because I filmed it in December. I'm editing it in the middle of January and I'm going to probably post it a little bit later because I'm nothing but inconsistent. We've just hit 500 subscribers. That's the first thing I've wrote down to say, so thank you very much. I look bald. The second thing is I didn't really intro this vlog, so just to keep you all up to date, I'm selling a vending machine in this video. Well, I tried to sell a vending machine in this video. Does it work out? You'll find out. Yeah, so we have some key issue, which is what I start complaining about in this next clip. I think that's it. Watch the video, watch me complain as per. But yeah, peace. So I'm kind of worried that this is not going to go well because all the keys have got the same number on them. And I don't ever like to be angry at anyone or myself. And I've only got this time to be angry at myself. And oh god. Okay. And the only reason I'm angry at myself is because I've had this vending machine sat in my unit for... Alright, that was scary. I've had this vending machine sat in my unit for I want to say a good few months. Like maybe like 3 months. And I've never once opened it. Like never once tried to open it. I'm just hoping the key that I used the other day to try and open it is just a bit dodgy, and it's the other two keys will open it. But come back to me, guys. There you are. I'm just hoping that that's just the issue. And stop falling, guys. Provide me with entertainment and attention. Yeah, I'm just hoping that it's just something really insignificant and minor and I can get paid for this machine right now. So I'm not going to lie to you, I just pulled up at the gate of the unit and I genuinely thought the whole place was shut down. I shit myself. Well, no, it's not. It's open. I hope. Either that or I just broke in. But I think it's open. The gate opened for me, so I put my little code in and it opens. So there's a big sign on the shutter or on the pipe next to the shutter. Open as normal. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Alright, let's get in here and figure out how to open this lock first. Alright, wish me luck. So it's going to be one of these three. If you've ever owed me anything, you'll owe me this. Well, it's not that one. Come on. It's not looking good. Sometimes you just need a push and then you open it, but this one just doesn't want to open. I can feel it turning. I can feel the thing turning. It's not turning. Oh, well that's a big fat L. I won't be selling a vending machine today.
I realise there's no point leaving you there because you can't see a thing. There we go. I just tried to film a whole segment for you and realised I didn't press record. I'm over today already. I got up for nothing. Well, I didn't get up for nothing. I mean, I just could have stayed in bed a little bit longer. Oh, there she is, that machine that doesn't work. I might just fucking put it on site. I might just go around today and be like, does anybody want a vending machine? You know. But I could really do with a cash to buy some CAD readers. Right, let's go and put you down, you folks. It's such a mess in here. I've got some shit in here that doesn't belong to me, so let's put you there. I feel like that's a good spot next to the Kit Kats. There we go. Is it legal to drink Pepsi at 9 o'clock in the morning? I'll open it anyway, so probably not. To all you new folk. Ah! That was the answer to you shouldn't drink Pepsi at 8 o'clock in the morning. Fuck. I really need to sell that vending machine. I'm just gonna have to get some different money some different way. Maybe sell some drugs. No, I don't look like a drug dealer. I don't feel like one either. Oh, that's an empty box. That's what we do with those. Oh, there's another one. Fuck off. 1 calorie in that can. It's got to be bullshit, though, right? See, this is why I don't go to the gym. I have my own gym in here. Yeah. Wonder how many litres that grams that is. Is he 500 grams in 500 millilitres? Times by 24. So that's 12 kg. Surely not. That's not 12 kilos. Maybe it is. Maybe I'm just hench. Go with that. I keep buying these Coke packets from Hancock's, and the plastic that they come in is so frail, a bit like my back, and then they just break, so it's very hard to carry them to site. Like they just rip, and I normally have to carry like a pack of 24 to site, and it's just getting a little bit annoying, but they're dead cheap from Hancock, so I just can't complain. Come on. Oh, for God's sake, there's no room. Okay, I'm just gonna have to stay there. It's cold, it's wet, it's early, and I didn't need to get out of bed as early as I did. I'm absolutely
not happy with the day. Right, well, I'm going to listen to Chris Brown and cheer myself up. Right, bye guys. I'm just going to the first place. Filled it up. There's people in there before, so I can't really talk, but yep, all full. Here is the next one. Meow. Okay, 2 things. Maybe 3 things actually. Number 1, I'm gonna get a Discord going soon. I promise. Let me use the light from the laptop screen. Yeah, I'm gonna get a Discord going soon. Number 2, consultation calls. I'm going to be able to do it so you can book it through Instagram. And so you can talk to me about your life problems, business problems, not your life problems. Because honestly, I'm not a therapist. And number 3, the giveaway. I want to emphasize that this is Sudocrem. The giveaway. We've just hit 500 subscribers, so I'm going to do the giveaway in February, mid-Feb. So I want to see who's active in the comments. If you've subscribed, tell me, screenshot it, send me a picture on Instagram. If you've not already subscribed, subscribe. Keep liking, keep commenting all the videos. I'm gonna upload a lot more frequently. But yeah. Hope you've all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. But yeah, follow me on Instagram. I don't have TikTok anymore, so I can't say that. I mean, you can still follow me on TikTok, but I just don't upload anymore. But yeah, cue the outro. Peace.
10 toes down, I'm a ride with the